NPTE, National Physical Therapy Examination, is mandatory to clear if you want to work as a physical therapist in USA. And from 2024, there are some changes in this exam pattern which I am going to tell you in this video. Hello, namaskar and welcome to my channel Physio Trends. This is me, Physio Prem Shah, and I post so many videos about career guidance after DPT, after MPT in USA, in UK, in India or anywhere else in the world. And today this video is specially made for NPTE examination. My dear friends, NPTE examination is MCQ based examination in which total 225 questions are asked in total 5 sessions of 45 questions. That was the pattern before also, and that is the exact pattern right now also, but there are few changes in 2024. Like now they have also introduced some questions of graphics as well as video related, in which you will be shown some photos or videos performing certain special tests or certain activities for the patient, and on basis of that MCQ questions will be asked. Now okay, that is also some old news, but the latest news is they have also introduced scenario based questions. Now what is this scenario based question? So scenario based question in which you will be given a big paragraph in which one situation of a patient will be given, and on the basis of this scenario 2 to 5 questions will be asked. But to be careful, all these questions not necessary they will be relevant to each other. They can be asked from any part of the scenario given. And now NPTE has told like this, in this examination total 40 to 45 scenario based questions will be asked. That means out of 225, almost 45 questions, which is 1/5 part of the exam, will be about this scenario based questions. And other questions are going to be same MCQ type of questions. And if you are not aware exactly how these questions are asked, then you definitely must watch the Physio Quest series on my channel Physio Trends, in which I am explaining so many questions and answers related to the assessment, differential diagnosis, which may be asked in your NPTE examinations with its explanation and reasoning. Also my dear friends, if you want to know the entire process of applying for this NPTE examination after completing BPT from your country, then definitely you must watch these videos which are already posted on my channel. Apart from this, if you have any other doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you all.